Whoa. Settle down, settle down. Put your phones away. If I see it, it goes to the phone jail. Nobody did the homework. Oh, you did? I mean, like anything you remember from last Korean stream? Teacher, forgive me, I'm just don't myself. Okay, dummy. It's okay. I do better this stream, maybe. Today I'm going to be teaching consonants. My brain is fried looking at the Korean keyboard. It's not exactly the keyboard. Let me show you. These ones. Let's break it down so it's not as confusing. So we're just going to learn some of the letters. Previous lesson I told you guys this is like a person standing. Let's say a person like got a hit in the stomach, so they got gah. So that's this with a G sound. If you're ever like gaming with Koreans, like they like to just use consonant to write on the internet sometimes. It's like similar to LOL. Violent start, but I'm following. It's usually often read as gogo. It's like how this is LOL or laugh out loud. This is gogo. It's just G sound, but you can remember it as a gogo. That's what it means on the internet when it's written like this. Similar to how Japanese go WW or no. Oh, yeah, that's the idea. That's the idea. But instead of using the English, it's just a still Korean letter. Like person sitting down. So that is N sound. And there are two of them. We read it as no. This is no. So N sound. So we have got, so far we got gogo and no for the G sound and N sound. Alright, still following good? You know, I'm a certified idiot class course. I know nothing about Korean culture or language. Oh, now you know something. I'm not exactly going in order of the alphabet, but next one would be this one. Koreans kind of consider it as B sound, but when it comes to the in front of the letter, it sounds similar to P too, so it can be kind of somewhere in between. So it's like pa. When there are two of them, that can mean bye. Not really understanding much. Oh no. But that's okay. For languages, I would just say try not to like memorize it, but more get like used to it. So that's why I'm like repeating this too. So more you can have more exposure. Basically, is when there's two B's sounds together, that means bye. Question from the Twitch side: how's your Korean? Well, I'm a native. Do you have a question? How's your Korean? That's it. Maybe that's more important here. See, so we got so far G sound, gogo, and sound, no. B sound, like one letter is the B sound, okay. Two of them, bye. G sound, N sound, B sound. Okay, so this is a S sound. Okay, and okay. And then when there's two of them, any guess? I'm getting it so much. My IQ is rising. I now have 7 IQ. Good for you. Cat mouse. That's true. That's so cute. 사사? Okay, good guess. So. Ah, that's a good one too. So this would be a smiley face. Oh, really? Don't guess? No, I think it was pretty good. You know, that's how Koreans like usually learn their the alphabet, Korean alphabet. That's why I have this here. Sa. Okay, so when they, like how you learn ABC from school, so they usually learn like Kanadara Mabasa. Okay, so that's why I think that's actually a good guess. Big fan of the smiley face. Very nice. So yeah, so if you have like a Korean friends, maybe you can try sending it to them. How do I evil smile? Ha 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 ha. I don't know. Okay, so that's the smiley face. I don't have friends. Oh no. Well, kind of guessed it. No, but I know you're joking. Save my man. Didn't need to do him like that. Okay, sorry. Think we'll try to be friends here. I'm going to have to learn Vietnamese because my GF is Vietnamese. Ah, cool. This is, it kind of represents a circle or like empty space. And but that's when it comes in front of a vowel like this. But when it comes under, because in general, it can also be this sound. So that's like sound, nasally sound. So yeah, so not that one. So when there's two like this is I really use a lot. That means um um um. So that sounds like yes yes. That means like yes yes. If you have had any exposure to Korean, maybe you saw the next one. If you add a dot or little arm to that person, like trying to fight back, that's a K sound, like K sound. And then, so this is I use really a lot, a lot, a lot. And that's two of them is K K. So that's it kind of like, the W of Japanese. Yeah. There are people read it in a different way. Like they'll be like K K K K K or K K K K K. Right, K K. I think this is the most general way. Like in English, you also write K K K, right? So it's kind of similar idea, but it's more K. And then it can be just two, or it can be like just one, or it can be like as many as you want. So yeah, that's basically LOL. Okay, so it can be. Okay, and then like if you're Korean, like they actually care a lot about like how many of these use because they can like mean something else very subtle. But if it's just like one that's like K, well, when you like type K instead of OK, it's kind of like that. So it's just like, but more kind of not really kind of friendly love sometimes. So that yeah, don't use it just one. Or unless like that's just something you want to do. In general, like if it's like only thing you use, then you use this. Or more is okay. And let's see. If it's end of sentence, it can be you can use it like this or like this, and that's not as offensive, I guess. Okay. Similar to that, we have this H sound. Okay. It's very similar to this. Two is pretty common. One maybe it doesn't sound as nice. Can be more. That's okay. Because that's H sound. And any guess what this is? My puppy is biting my shirt and I do not approve. Okay, so you can say to the puppy, you can, no, 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 puppy. No, no. Haha, good guess. And you're correct. Haha. So yeah, it's like haha. You can go like haha, right? Teach the puppy Korean. That's right. Okay. So let's review it one time. And then I need a bathroom break. Okay. So this G sound. Go. And sound. Like repeat after me. No. B sound. Bye. No. Good. Okay. S sound. Smiley face. Smile. Smiley face. S sound. The circle is yes. K sound. K sound. K. It's basically LOL. K. Okay, and then that's right. Doing good, cat chat. Okay, H sound. Hoo, or haha. Yeah, it can be hoo too. I forgot. I usually read it as hoo, but it can mean haha. So haha. H sound, haha. Guys, this is easy. We got this. All right, you got the spirit. Good job, guys. Okay, so I'll leave it off here for now, and then you can hopefully review it or something. Okay, I'll be right back. Bathroom break. Okay, act cool, yo. What are you doing? I like we're big brain scientists. All right, good. That's the attitude. All right. Welcome back, Madame La Peace. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup, monsieur. Bye, consonants. And welcome, Duolingo.